Unprocessed versus processed food. Food can be divided into two main types: unprocessed food and processed food. Both give us energy, but they are different. Unprocessed food is natural and comes straight from plants or animals. It has nothing extra added to it. Think of crunchy apples, sweet bananas, crisp carrots, juicy tomatoes, fresh eggs, creamy milk, and yummy nuts and seeds. These foods come straight from nature. Unprocessed foods help your body grow strong, give you lots of energy, and keep you healthy. They are full of important vitamins and nutrients. Processed food is food that has been changed from its natural form. This can include cooking, freezing, canning, packaging, or adding sugar, salt, or preservatives. Some examples are soft bread, tasty cheese, smooth yogurt, easy canned food, sizzling sausages, crunchy chips, bubbly sugary drinks, and delicious fast food. Food is processed to last longer on shelves. Make it quick and easy to eat. Make it taste different, to keep it safe to store. But be careful with some processed foods. They can have too much sugar, too much salt, or unhealthy fats. Eating too much of these can be unhealthy. When you buy processed food, remember to read the label. Check how much sugar and salt are in it, and look at all the ingredients. This helps you make smart choices. Try to eat more natural foods like fresh fruits, yummy vegetables, and whole grains. You can eat processed foods sometimes, but not all the time. You do not have to avoid processed food completely. The key is balance, variety, and healthy choices. Food can come from farms, shops, and even factories. Knowing where your food comes from helps you stay healthy and strong. Be a smart food explorer. Choose foods that help your body grow strong, think clearly, and stay active. Healthy food helps you grow strong and feel great.